going on location this morning to an estate sale in Marbledale, Connecticut. Many years. And we're just about arriving at the sale here. So this should be an interesting dig. I'm looking forward to it. And we'll see what this brings us today. Okay, well, good morning. Here we are early on the tag sale trail. As I said, we are the earliest of early birds this morning, and we're going to take advantage of that. We've got the first look at this sale in Marbledale, Connecticut. It's an estate sale. And if you know Marbledale, Connecticut, it's a tiny little town just north of New Milford. So, what are we looking for? Well, we're going to fly around and take a look and see what's here for sale. Those are kind of interesting.
This is a better one. I think it's painted though. These are there's a Presto bank.
Presto?
Yeah, I think it's called. They're very common. This house. They're very, very common. They're probably the most common cast iron banks there is.
About what year? What year are those from?
1900,
20s, yeah.
This might be a little bit better, but it's painted.
Right.
I think it was probably gold originally.
Right. This is hardware right there.
Yeah, that's
what does that tell you?
That's Deco, bro.
Deco, yeah. So this is definitely 1920s, and someone probably made it.
Yeah, it's definitely homemade.
Definitely. That's kind of that's sort of what's appealing about it. Yeah. That's neat. Yeah, absolutely. That's cool.